Hari. We continue with the combination of errors. The last result is, in the case of division process, how the errors are getting combined. So let us see that Z is a physical quantity got out of A and B as A by B. So I measure A as A plus or minus delta A and B plus or minus delta B. But here we make an adjustment that A plus or minus delta A can be written as A into 1 plus or minus delta A by A, and B can be written as B into 1 plus or minus delta B by B. Okay. Now I take these two results into this, or I will be getting Z plus or minus delta Z equal to A plus or minus delta A divided by B plus or minus delta B, and I rewrite it according to that procedure, that Z into 1 plus or minus delta Z by Z equal to A into 1 plus or minus delta A by A divided by B into 1 plus or minus delta B by B. Okay. Now here we are getting A by B, and that A by B is nothing but equal to Z. So this A by B and this Z will be going, and we get the next step, that is 1 plus or minus delta Z by Z is equal to 1 plus or minus delta A by A divided by 1 plus or minus delta B by B. Now I will move on with the next step, that is delta Z by Z equal to 1 plus or minus delta A by A into 1 plus or minus delta B by B raised to minus 1. Okay? That 1 by x is equal to 1 by x is equal to x raised to minus 1. This has been applied over here. And therefore, we expand this one. 1 plus or minus delta Z by Z equal to 1 plus or minus delta A by A, and we apply the binomial expansion here for the second term raised to minus 1. It comes as 1 raised to minus 1, that is 1 itself, 1. Then comes this minus sign applied over here, it becomes minus or plus delta B by B, and the smaller terms will be continuing so that we can neglect it. So we are ending with this one. Now you can take this one equal to 1 into 1, 1. Then minus or plus delta B by B. Then plus or minus delta A by A into 1. Then minus or plus delta A by A into delta B by B. That's equal to 1 plus or minus delta Z by Z. Okay. Now let us That is, here one is there and this one going. So this one and this one is going, and you are left with this part. And here delta A into delta B, very small, divided by the large values. So this can be neglected from this. And therefore we get plus or minus delta Z by Z is equal to minus or plus delta B by B, then plus or minus delta A by A. That is plus or minus delta A by A minus or plus delta B by B. Out of this again we are coming to that four chances there, as there are plus or minus and minus or plus coming over here. Therefore, we apply the final result, that is condition applied, that is maximum possible relative error in the final measurement will be delta Z by Z will be equal to delta A by A plus delta B by B. So this result is same as that for the multiplication process also. Okay? But remember, in the actual case there is a reversal coming. Plus or minus delta A minus or plus delta B, and out of which we are taking the maximum possible. Okay? So that is to be remembered for division process. Alright? So in the case of division and also in the case of multiplication, we are getting the maximum possible relative error as the sum of the relative errors in the individual measurements. And here I just shown how we are arriving at the result, and remember we need only the final results to be remembered for the studies and calculations. Okay, that's all for combination of errors.